For Canadian market, Leaders offers a series of CSA-compliant products specifically to meet Canadian electrical standards and building codes. Leaders offers rigid PVC conduits, which is CSA certified to CSA C22.2 number 211.2 standard, from 1/2 inch to 6 inches, in green and orange color. They are sunlight resistant, suitable for underground and above ground applications. DB2 duct is another widely used rigid type in Canada for communications, telecom, and utilities. They are specifically for direct barrier and concrete encased applications, and are certified to CSA C22.2 number 211.1 standard for 2 inches to 6 inches, green, orange, red, black, and white colors. Flexible conduits, Leaders provides 1/2 inch to 2.5 inches, certified to CSA C22.2 number 227.1. They are lightweight and can be easily handled and installed at the site, greatly saving time and cost. Additionally, Leaders also provides fittings, such as couplings and elbows, for conduit connections, which are CSA standard conformed. Follow us to know more about electrical conduit information.